Oops. Oops.
Beautiful finish. Heavy duty, textured, very low profile. As you can see, it works with truck bed rails, and it's when your tailgate locks locked, so is all your cargo. It folds up easy. There's a cord under here that you pull that releases it. Folds up all the way to the front, and it has straps that hold it there. And you know what I really like about this cover? So you can run with your truck like this, where it's 3/4 open, or what I really like about it too is you can totally remove it in seconds, and it's not very heavy at all. I'm only a 130-pound guy. Then, if you need to totally use your truck bed, and then to reattach it, it just slides right up here, secures in place. You take your storage straps off, and you fold it back out. That's it. One heck of a tonneau cover.
Oops.